So, are you having a rough time keeping your house clean because of your furry friends?
Fortunately, we have... It's the best I can do. We have the top... I sound Scottish.
First time on TV, Brian?
We have the top pet products to put these problems to rest.
Home contractor Skip Bedell is back with some possible solutions.
Oh, you guys are good. Listen, this is amazing. So ForeverLawn, the leaders in synthetic grass, have come up with the canine grass designed specifically for dogs. So the idea is you take a piece of this, which looks very real, you put it out in your yard, and you train your dog to go to that. It drains completely. Watch this, guys. So when your dog goes on it, it drains right through. Anti-microbials built into the bottom, so no smell, no odor.
What about the base?
Super easy to keep clean. So this goes right down. You make a small area.
But you got to make that too, right?
Yeah. So this goes. You clear out your grass and it goes right down to the area. So you can make it as big as you want. You can do the whole lawn or a small part. But the canine grass designed specifically for dogs. It keeps it clean, keeps the odor down, and genius idea.
It's great.
Zeus uses it at home. This is my little baby. Zeus, check out Zeus.
Zeus know to go right here, though?
Because I've trained him to go to that part of the yard. So he knows only to go. So now you're not burning big brown spots on your grass anymore, right? You keep your grass looking nice, no odor. So, all right, so we'll hit, let's head over this way. I want to show you a couple other things.
Nice.
Canine grass from ForeverLawn. Yeah. So we got the bone. Yeah, this is the bone, the tunnel. They have great stuff for dogs.
Awesome.
Check it out for ForeverLawn. Unbelievable product.
Ryan, you need that next to your pool outside.
Come back here, guys. I want to show you this. You're going to love this. This is Tractive. This is world's best pet tractor. It's a GPS pet tracker. It's waterproof, rechargeable. This goes on their collar. And if you notice, Zeus has one on his collar right there. So for $49, you get this tracker. You put it on their collar, $5 a month only. But what it does is it'll set up a virtual fence anywhere you go. It interacts with a smart app on your phone. So if your dog goes outside that virtual fence, it gives you an alert and you can track the dog anywhere, unlimited range. Genius idea. Promo code SKIP right now, you get $10 off. So for $49 and $5 a month, you always know where your dog is.
Oh, I love that.
Unbelievable.
But do you set it up like the invisible fence?
Yeah, it's exactly like an invisible fence, but it's a GPS tracker. This right here, I wish you would have thought of this. This is genius. This is the Bow Wow Buddy. Comes in 6 different sizes. Bully sticks is a dog's favorite treat. But what happens when they get down toward the bottom of it, they can't hold it. And a lot of times they swallow it and can choke on it. They came up with this genius idea. You put the bully stick through it. When they get done chewing it, it gets down to the bottom. This is my dogs at home. You can see they can't choke on that last little bit, so it keeps them really safe. It comes in 6 different sizes, the Bow Wow Buddy. You can get bully sticks and the container and the bone all in a kit. They ship it right to you.
Is any of this thing resonating with you as a dog owner?
I know. The
Guys,
tracker.
let me tell you, the tracker and this right here, genius. This is my dog, by the way. This is what we use at home, and it's unbelievable. Yeah, so 6 different sizes.
And can I just say one thing, Skip?
Yeah.
His wife was watching the Father's Day segment.
Yeah.
He got several gifts.
I got 2 gifts from Skip Bedell.
Well, now you're getting some more for Rocky and for Willow, and right? So lastly, guys, for the cats, look at our baby cat right here.
Oh, I didn't know.
This is Kate's kitty cat. Guys, this is genius. This is the litter robot. This is a completely smart litter box. It hooks up to Wi-Fi. You will never scoop a box ever again. So you can see the litter is right there. It Wi-Fi to your phone. When the cat's done, it automatically cleans the litter. No scooping, no smell, no touching it ever again. Completely genius idea. And when they come outside, no more tracking the litter. So this thing is like, as far as keeping a cat, this makes keeping a cat easy without any odor.
Skip, you're the best. Thanks so much.
Hey, thank you so much.
That's where you find out more.
Hi, baby.
All right, Lawrence, tell us what's next.
All right, today is the first official day of the summer. We scream for ice cream
Another one?
on Fox Grill.